Hello, guys, and welcome to the fourth episode of the Unacademy Educator podcast. I'm your host Sagar, and this is where you get to see your favorite educators talk and discuss about the most relevant topics for you. So today we have with us Miss Richa Arora ma'am and Miss Nikki Sinha ma'am, who both teach psychology on our platform. And today's topic, as you can see in the title, is a very sensitive topic, very relevant topic in the recent times. That is how to deal with depression. So I would like to start with Richa ma'am, if you can give a short introduction of yourself.
I'm Richa. I have done my MBA in marketing as well as in HR. I have worked professionally with Nestle into HR and handling big accounts like Hypercity, Tesco, Tata Trend, and DMarts. Later on, I shifted to teaching. I am into teaching line from the past 8 years, teaching psychology and other subjects. And then did counseling from the past 4 years. I'm helping children and parents in their day to day life with certain management techniques of psychology. Thank you.
That's great. Welcome, Richa ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Nikki ma'am, if you can shortly give your introduction.
Sure. So my name is Nikki Sinha, and I have around 6 years of teaching experience. Currently working with an academy, and I have done my master's from Jawaharlal Nehru University. Did my graduation from LSR. Most important thing I think I've done in my life was working with an NGO. So I have dealt with a lot of children who had a lot of issues, like there were rape survivors, there were acid attack victims I've worked with, and currently I'm teaching psychology. So it's basically I can deal with people like that. I have a hang of it that I can deal with people with mental issues. So yeah, that's it.
That's
Thank
great.
you.
That's a very great segue to our topic for the podcast. So, looking at the current situation and the news a few days back, let's talk about this topic, which is very hardly talked about. I mean, except anything of this sort happens. Normally, it is not at all even brought up. So, let me start with this. What really is depression? What causes mental disorders? So let me start with Nikki.
So mental disorders, sir, can have a lot of issues, lot of causes actually. So it does not depend that it's something कि आपके साथ अभी recently कुछ हुआ है, it's because of that. It can be something deep rooted fears होते हैं आपके कुछ बचपन के. It can be because of that also. Some people are just lonely. One of the most important reason for mental disorders is negative emotions and loneliness. When people are not able to talk about their issues, about their problems, I think that is where it seeps in. That is where these things come up a lot. So because in earlier times we would live in joint families, we would have so many people to talk to, so many people to love us. Children nowadays are facing such issues. Why? Because they're living in nuclear families. They don't have parents also working. They don't have someone to talk to. So I think that is one of the major reasons, when you don't have people to talk to and you're not able to share things. Because
Right,
father of psychology even said, Sigmund Freud has said something like that, most of your problems are solved when you talk to people. All
right.
right, so it can be anything, your deep rooted fears, your loneliness.
Carrying on to this, Richa ma'am, how do you sort of know if you are going through this sort of a disorder, right? If a person is experiencing this, that person might not necessarily know about it or not know how to deal with it. So, what should that person
Yeah,
or what should any one of us do to sort of understand this thing? Yeah,
the problem they have symptoms also. It is not that ki person is, as Nikki ma'am rightly said, the person feels lonely. The person is going through different kinds of mood swings. Also, a lot of mood swings happens in this. Person goes through anxiety, general discontent, feeling of guilt. डिप्रेशन में लोगों को लगता है अगर मैं किसी से बात करूंगा लोग सोचेंगे ये पागल. In India, the mentality is that the person must be mad. ऐसी ऐसी चीजें होती है डिप्रेशन में, which people don't talk about. In this, what happens? Loss of interest in different topics is there. Then people lose interest very easily. वो जल्दी बोर हो जाते हैं. ठीक है? Interest in the sense we can say over here, like a person is writing something, he'll lose interest very fast. क्यों? क्योंकि mood swings हो जाते हैं इसमें, और इसमें lot of, you can say, angerness also comes. Depression can lead you to lot of things which are not accepted by our society. So this
right.
is like the symptoms of depression, or you can say कि ऐसे ऐसे चीजों में भी डिप्रेशन हो सकता है.
Right, right. So, I mean, the biggest problem I think is acceptance of such a disorder and the Indian mentality. is such that it is not very accepting of this sort of a disorder. There's a lot of stigma around it. So Nikki, can you
Yes.
just I mean brief on us ki, why is this stigma really there in India, and why other countries are better in dealing with such sort of a thing?
See, I think there are two things that we have to point out here, Sagar. It's just that there are two things actually. There's a stigma, that's for sure. All right, but nowadays what I'm seeing is that everyone has attached sort of, having depression and having anxiety has become cool quotient. Okay, if I've seen 100 profiles, I've seen at least 98 of them saying that I have gone through depression, I've gone through anxiety, I've gone through this. You have not gone through something like that. Okay, not getting your favorite ice cream or not, being able to do work in lockdown is not depression. Depression is something much more serious which we have to understand. And yes, there's a lot of stigma attached because we have, some कुछ चीजें आप इसको religious bias के according समझ सकते हो. हमने generally इन चीजों को schizophrenia हो गया, depression हो गया, इन चीजों को generally religious के साथ attach किया, religion के साथ. भूत बाधा हो गई है, शैतान का कब्जा है. We have actually lived through all of those things, and maybe that is why there's a lot of stigma attached. And one thing I would like to point out, it's not just the Indian world that is, has a stigma. The Western world also had the stigma. Okay. In fact, India में तो gay और lesbian marriages वो बहुत हद तक legalized थी. After the Britishers came in, it became, abnormal. Okay, so it's not just the Indian world that has it, that considers this abnormal या फिर stigma जो attached है. Western world में भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. Yes, it is changing day by day because now people are becoming much more aware. The thing is, there's less awareness about these things. Okay, आपकी body में कुछ ऊपर नीचे होता है, you can test it, right? आपके दिमाग में ऊपर नीचे इमोशंस जो हैं उनको आप टेस्ट नहीं कर सकते, वो किसी किसी स्कैन में किसी ग्राफ में शो नहीं करते. मे बी दैट इज द रीजन, पीपल डोंट रियली अंडरस्टैंड, कॉम्प्रिहेंड करना बहुत मुश्किल है, एंड दैट इज व्हाई द स्टिग्मा इज अटैच्ड.
True, true, true. And as you rightly said, I mean, normal basic problems you cannot say that you're depressed about, right? There is a there so
Absolutely.
so I would like to ask
Yes.
Richa ma'am, where do you really draw the line? Where do you understand? Where do you find out? How do you find out that a person is really going through depression, or is it just a normal behavior?
एज आई अर्लियर सेड कि इसके सिम्टम्स होते हैं, लेकिन
Right,
इसके सिम्टम्स ये नहीं है कि आज आपने देखा इसको सिम्टम्स हैं. दीज सिम्टम्स आर लाइक, यू कैन से 2-3 सालों से ये सिम्टम्स चल रहे होते हैं. ओके, अ पर्सन इज गोइंग टू द सिम्टम्स फ्रॉम द पास्ट 2 or 3 years. सिम्टम्स कैसे होते हैं, जैसे मैंने बोला कि आपको सर्टन कई बार एंजाइटी अटैक्स आते हैं, यू फीलिंग लोनली, एंड समटाइम्स इट हैपेंस कि योर मूड स्विंग्स वेरी फास्ट. मूड स्विंग्स इतने होते हैं इसमें कि आपको पता ही नहीं लगता है कि ये सेम पर्सन ऐसा था कुछ देर पहले, अभी एकदम से चेंज कैसे हो गया है. तो दिस हैपेंस इन डिप्रेशन. इवन एज निकी मैम राइटली सेड कि इसमें क्या होता है कि पर्सन फील्स वेरी लोनली इन दिस. वो किसी से बात नहीं करता, शेयर नहीं करता.
right. सो कैरिंग ऑन टू दिस, इफ अगर एक पर्सन को ऐसे सिम्टम्स लग रहे हैं या उसके दोस्त को लग रहे हैं, एक पर्सन इज वॉचिंग हिज फ्रेंड गोइंग थ्रू these symptoms, so what should the friend or the person himself be doing in such a situation, Nikki ma'am? How should he get help?
So see, I don't think anyone should be trying to deal with depression on their own because it's something a doctor should do, a therapist should do. You can in general talk to the person, and if you feel कि हाँ उसको depression है, you should definitely take him to the therapist or the psychologist or the psychiatrist depending on जिस level पे है. Okay.
Right,
And what you can do from your side basically is you can just talk to the person. हम अगर उस इंसान से बात करें, उसकी प्रॉब्लम सुन लें, ओके, एटलीस्ट उसको हमें उसको समझाने की जरूरत नहीं है, उसको ये बोलने की जरूरत नहीं कि सब ठीक हो जाएगा, एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग टू बी फाइन. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. ओके, अगर आप बहुत ही अग्रेसिव बिहेव कर रहे हो एंड समवन टेल्स यू कि डूड काम डाउन, ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ दैट पर्सन हैज काम डाउन. ठीक है, दिस हैज नेवर हैपेंड. सो इफ यू टेल अ पर्सन कि भाई ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा, इट्स ओके, एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग टू वर्क फाइन, वी शुड नॉट डू दैट. We should just listen to the person and ultimately refer him to any form of therapist or a psychologist or a psychiatrist, because ये चीज के बारे में आप ट्रेन नहीं हो. मे बी हो सकता है आप ज्यादा हार्म कर दो इनफैक्ट ऑफ उसको ट्रीट करने की जगह. ओके, सो वी शुड नॉट टेक ऑल दीज थिंग्स इन आवर हैंड्स. इट्स बेटर कि किसी प्रोफेशनल हेल्प के पास हम डेफिनेटली जाएं.
right, right. So in case of such an emergency, or in case if a friend finds out that his friend or her friend needs professional help, where can they really get this professional help? How do they really find out where should they go? Richa ma'am.
There are a lot of psychologist centers. There are a lot of rehabilitation centers these days, even in India. If you will see in big cities, like they are having certain therapy centers. A friend can take his friend to a therapist, a psychologist, or a psychiatrist. Can share his problem. Then different therapies are there for different टाइप्स ऑफ डिप्रेशन. ये नहीं है कि साइकोलॉजिकल डिसऑर्डर एक ही होता है, बहुत सारे साइकोलॉजिकल डिसऑर्डर्स हैं. उसमें डिप्रेशन एक चीज है. ओके, एक टाइप ऑफ डिसऑर्डर है. डिप्रेशन के अंदर भी बहुत सारे डिप्रेशन है. तो एज यू सेड कि निकी मैम राइटली सेड कि किसी फ्रेंड को नहीं पता लगेगा उसको क्या प्रॉब्लम है, राइट? तो वो वहां जाएगा. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ वेज, लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चनर्स आर देयर. बहुत सारे टेक्निक्स होती हैं इसको फाइंड आउट करने के लिए कि किस तरह का डिप्रेशन है, क्या ट्रीटमेंट दिया जाए. ओके, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ टाइप ऑफ थेरेपीज आल्सो which should be given. It is totally decided by the therapist. वो therapist ही decide करेगा कि इसको किस टाइप का डिप्रेशन है, किस टाइप की थेरेपी दी जानी चाहिए, एंड हाउ मच टाइम इट विल टेक. इट टोटली डिपेंड्स अपॉन द थेरेपिस्ट. और कितना डिप्रेशन है उसको ये भी पता लग सकता है, बट ओनली वाया द थेरेपीज और द थेरेपिस्ट. ओके, यस, इट इज क्योरेबल. थोड़ा टाइम लग जाता है. कई बार ये नहीं है कि दवाई ली और ठीक हो गया. नो, इट टेक्स लॉट ऑफ टाइम. समटाइम्स लॉट ऑफ थेरेपीज आर इवन वीकली दी जाती है. सेशंस होते हैं 4 to 5 डेज इन अ वीक. 1 घंटे का सेशन रहता है जहाँ पे क्लाइंट अपनी पूरी, इन द सेंस यू कैन से, थेरेपिस्ट ऐसा होता है कि वो बोलते हैं ना, पूरी भड़ास निकाल देता है. जो उसके अंदर होता है सब थेरेपिस्ट आराम से सुनता है अपनी क्लाइंट के बारे में. देन ही गोज अहेड एंड ही ट्रीट्स इट.
Okay. So yeah. Please, Nikki ma'am.
There are a lot of online platforms also where you can, just register and get help. That is also one of the things that has come up now because of lockdown. So I can, maybe put up some links there when we do the class or
Sure.
whenever.
Sure.
So there are a lot of online platforms. You don't have to go anywhere. You can just, talk to the therapist by taking a subscription or something like that.
So Richa ma'am, you talked about different types of mental disorders. There are different types of depression as well. So can you just briefly talk about each one of these types as to how they are divided?
Yeah. Depression can be divided into post depression and pre depression. जो चीजें मतलब हो जाती हैं उसके बाद में जो इफेक्ट होता है उसको बोलते हैं पोस्ट डिप्रेशन. प्री डिप्रेशन यू कैन से, किसी इवेंट से पहले हम बोलते हैं वी आर स्ट्रेस्ड आउट, वी आर दिस, वी आर दैट. उसे डिप्रेशन नहीं बोलते हैं. दैट इज नॉट डिप्रेशन. दैट इज, यू कैन से, इट इज अ स्ट्रेस. बट अगर आपको कुछ टाइम पहले पता लग जाता है एक इवेंट होने वाला है, मतलब 4-5 महीने का गैप होता है, कुछ लोग डिप्रेशन में चले जाते हैं कि हाउ आई विल डू इट, इट इज सच अ बिग प्रोजेक्ट, वेदर आई विल बी एबल टू डू इट ऑन टाइम और नॉट. क्या मैं कोप अप कर पाऊंगा, क्या मैं मुझे सक्सेस मिलेगी या नहीं. ओके, तो ऐसा होता है डिप्रेशन. पहले भी हो सकता है, इवेंट के बाद भी हो सकता है डिप्रेशन. इस तरह के डिप्रेशन होते हैं. इन्हें क्योर करने के लिए यूजुअली थेरेपीज आर गिवन, मेडिसिन नहीं दी जाती हैं. इन दिस केस therapies are given to the clients sometimes.
Okay. That's interesting. Yeah, Nikki ma'am, please.
So depression basically has different forms. Okay, like this generalized depression that we just talked about, and there's something called mania, and there's something called bipolar disorder also. Mania is something where you're like extremely happy. Okay, so extremely talkative, extremely happy, extremely energetic, all right, which is generally alternated by this extreme depressive mood, which is known as bipolar.
So mania is basically you have a manic episode where you're extremely happy, extremely energetic होते हो आप. Okay, maybe you will just get up at 6 o'clock in the morning, do all your work, और then extremely happy, extremely talkative, extremely, आप बात करोगे लोगों से बहुत ज्यादा खुश होगे. Okay, but in depression this is generally alternated with another episode of bipolar disorder where you have immense negative emotions. Okay, immense. जितने आप खुश हो maybe उससे कहीं ज्यादा, if you're happy 100, then you will be having negative emotions of 200. Okay, तो ये generally bipolar disorder कहा जाता है इसको. And this is where the, you can say कि इसी टाइम पे suicide का खतरा सबसे ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है, because the person is going through an immense negative emotions जिससे deal करना sometimes it gets really difficult.
So Nikki ma'am, what my question was that if a student is generally feeling low due to some issue in school, or say due to pressure of studies, pressure by parents, so
Right.
how should that student deal with such sort of a thing? And this is not something that is very extreme, right? This is not depression. This is not a mental disorder. This is
Eh,
just a
absolutely.
feeling low moment, right? A behavior. So how should a student deal with this?
See, as far as I have, actually dealt with a lot of students like that, because most of my students are JEE and NEET aspirants, and they are dealing with a lot of stress these days, and especially because they're at home, so parents का भी थोड़ा extra pressure होता है. So I think the best way to deal with something like this when you're feeling low is sports. Get into sports, go for a run कर लो, basketball खेलो, football खेलो, just dance a bit maybe, listen to some music. I think that helps wonders, all right? I think sports is the best way to de-stress, all right, because all your stress is gone, everything is gone, and then you can get back to studies in a much better way. So just do something, maybe whatever suits you, आपको जो अच्छा लगता है, whatever suits the child, जिस चीज में उसको interest है. Maybe I have some kids who are really good in drawing, so they draw a lot. Just do whatever you feel like, जिससे आप de-stress हो सकते हो. Okay, it can be any activity. You can just take a walk, sports. But as far as I am concerned, as a psychologist, I would say sports is the best way for students, for children to deal with stress. खेल लो, थोड़ा सा खेल लो, relax करो, just play football. And I think martial arts, जिन लोगों को बहुत गुस्सा आता है, I think martial arts is the best way for them to deal with things.
Right, right, right. So they should definitely go for physical activities, and you should definitely get professional help when it gets too far, when it crosses the line. Uh, yeah. So we'll end it there, but we have a series of special classes on mental health for you guys on our Unacademy special class platform, which you can watch for free. We'll be starting a series of mental health matters with Richa ma'am and Nikki ma'am. Richa ma'am will take the classes from 6 to 7 p.m. Nikki ma'am is going to take it from 9 to 10 p.m. It will start on Friday, and it will be on 3 days: Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And you can also ask your questions. You can also get your doubts cleared. You can also you can get live feedback from them and on how to deal with these things. So definitely be there. It is for free for everyone. So do download the app, do click on the link, and do check both of these educators out. I'll be also putting their referral codes in the description. So if you feel like going for a plus subscription, please do. But do attend this special class series. It will be very beneficial for you. And these topics need to be talked about a lot more than they have been so far. And we're glad that we had this session. Thank you, educators, and we hope to have more of these in the future.
Thank you.